Thank you very much. I'm going to go a little bit funny here. I'm going to try a tune from Gilligan's Island. Skipper! Speaking of surf, I'm going to try a Beach Boys tune here. Surf. Here we go. Last tune I'm going to do is an Elvis tune. It's hard to imitate Elvis here, but I'm going to try it here.
That's absolutely amazing.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Doesn't look that hard, does it? Well, no. I was amazed that this is actually it's just like a real saw.
From Canadian Tire.
How did you discover that you could play this thing, or why, or, you know?
Well,
how much had you been drinking that night, John? Come on.
I'm not going to tell you.
Yeah.
No, I was watching a fellow on TV playing it. I think it was a Tonight Show. I see somebody playing that, and I thought that's an interesting instrument. So I thought, well, give it a shot, and after about 15 years, I'd get the hang of it.
How long is it taking to learn?
10.
10, really?
The 5 years I spent in that one night.
There is just a regular old saw.
Yes, it's a crosscut saw, yeah.
A crosscut saw, and this is just like a regular old bow.
Yeah, it's a violin bow, and that's made of Swedish steel. It's got to be good steel to sound right.
Oh, okay. Now you put this under your leg like this?
Yeah,
on your knee.
That's right, yeah. Just
don't cut your pants off while you're doing it.
Don't play it the wrong way.
Okay.
Okay. Okay,
and
that's not bad, yeah. Okay.
Have I got this sort of right? Oh, I caught my pants.
Yeah.
Now you hold this bow 2 fingers, you have to keep this taut.
That's right, yeah, that's right.
And that's really important. And I got 2 fingers.
2 fingers,
oh, wait a minute, 2, 1, 2.
And 2
and then you push down hard with this?
Not very hard. You just have to put a little bit of pressure, just enough to tense the saw up.
Okay.
Right, and draw the bow slowly across the...
Wait. And the higher up
the further down you go, the higher the note, and you move the bow along the saw. Whoa, yeah. Beautiful, beautiful.
This part I learned from my dog.
That's a little exaggerated.
I know. Okay, wait.
It's not bad, though.
Now, is it easier if you pull the bow up or down?
You can do it both ways. Yeah, I think the heels might make it a little bit more difficult.
I think maybe a drink can help, right?
Well, you know, in showbiz, they say break a leg. Well, they say saw a leg off for me.
That was terrible. This is very hard.
It's difficult. I think once you get the technique, then all you do is you let your ear do the work. You follow your...
Gee.
Well, almost.
Well...
Whoa, that's good, that's good. All right, we're going to would you like to try a duet?
Oh, sure.
Okay, let's try O Canada.
Oh, Canada?
Okay.
Oh,
okay, here we go.
Okay, you ready?
She's never tried this before.
No, I haven't.
All right, ready?
Okay. I could do this part.
That's beautiful. Hey, that's good. All right, that's good. She just stole the show.
I think I sawed my leg off here.
I'll call the medic.
Yeah, you got to be careful. This thing is sharp.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, well, that's it.
It'll
huh?
never go flat.
I mean, Mary and I are available in the summer months.
That's good,
Oh, oh, Canada, we're in trouble here. Well,
That's good, that's good.
yeah, do not try this at home.
No.
Do you play different saws? I mean, do you play bigger saws or?
No, I've stuck mostly to this one because I've had most success, but I've never really tried anything different.
Well, just think, you know, and if you don't get a job, you can always go and cut wood or something and, you know, make money in your spare time. I've never met anyone who did this. I think you're absolutely extraordinarily amazing.
Well, thank you very much.
And who's going to argue with him, you know? I mean, who's going to argue? Coming up next, we have some Canadian female bodybuilding champs, and nobody argues with them.